Keep me falling on the ground, falling down. Keep me running, keep me going till I fall down. Save me now, I don't know why I'm here, but I can't disappear yet until I see your face. Won't leave this place. Oh, dance with me, yeah, set me free, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, come on, baby. Oh, dance with me, yeah. All I need is you later. So come on, baby, and dance with me. Yeah. Oh, come on, baby. Keep it coming, keep on moving to the beat. Just move your feet, take me higher. We're on fire, never done till we see the sun. I don't know why I'm here, but I can't disappear. I can't disappear until the morning light, till we see the sunrise. Till we see remind me that it's over. Oh, I finally blocked your Instagram stories, took down all your pics from the walls. I thought that I want somebody to hold me. It's not like me to not move on. 1 month in was horrible, and yeah, I couldn't sleep. Then 2, I finally did, but you invaded all my dreams. Then 3, I felt like dying, and then 4, I couldn't breathe. 5 months still with me. I still play our songs in the car, and I still check my phone, think you're calling. I still sometimes pretend you're here when you're not. And I still wear your t-shirt to bed, and I still read the text you would send, and I still wish that you were here but you're not. I wish you're gone. Thought it'd be a little clearer after some time, and I would see only me in the mirror, but you're still here looking at me. So when you said forever, was it a lie? What did you mean? Was the story really over? You know, in my book it was you and me.